Ladies and gentlemen, this is a real beauty. 2011 F150 FX4 Highway Rider. It's an 11 with 160,000 miles, and it looks like it's got 60. Brand new tires. The brakes are about 70%. I think 60 in the rear, 70 in the front. Right about there. It's 2011 with 160 for $19,900. It's an FX4 cloth, power seat, backup camera, trailer brake, locking differential. Look at the interior. Are you serious? Look at this. Look at the seats. 160,000 miles. Cab corners are brand new. Rockers are brand new. Look. Look at the rockers. 160,000 miles. Look at the rubber. Look at the frame. This truck is dialed in. Soft tri-full tonneau cover on it. Full 2-inch receiver with trailer wiring. All season, all weather floor mats. Spray in bed liner. Well, it's got a couple of little chunks missing off the bed liner, but no big deal. It's got 160. Come and get it. Look at this. No dingers. Look down this side. 373 gears. It's a 3.5 EcoBoost turbo. So it's a crew cab short box with a 5.5 foot box. Look at this. Cab corners and rockers on this side. Beautiful. Just beautiful. Power seat. 365 horsepower. Nice ABS bug guard up front. Call that the Aero Skin. Bumpers are in good shape. Look at this thing. This isn't going to last long. Back at $20,000. Let's see, how many keys do we have for this? Side curtain airbags. Oh, look at that. 2 sets of keys with remote start. It's fired up. Bluetooth, leather wrap steering wheel. Grip the grain, you guys. Nice shape on the steering wheel. 165 on the miles. Look at that. Locking diff. Trailer brake. Comodomotors.com. 616-536-2405. Come and get it. Let's go.